I have no idea what a maraca is. I want to say a musical instrument, but I know that's wrong.
Researchers found that non-fluent speakers of Te Reo Māori know 70 Māori words on average, but don't yet know how to define all of them. Do you know what this word means?
Love.
Aroha is love.
Aroha, love.
Kahurangi. I don't know what that means and how to say it though.
I think it's a colour.
Green. Brown.
Mars white fields with kakariki green. Sorry, I'm lost again.
Is it blue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Waiata, which is song or music.
Waiata. Singing.
Waiata, song.
Tuakana, is that man?
Tuakana Taina, which is your brother.
Tuakana is big brother, Taina is little brother.
Oh,
So it's
cool.
like a
Tuakana.
symbiotic relationship between the older person and the younger person.
Yeah, that's the sticks. You, tara, nu.
Don't know what it means
It
there.
was on the chocolate.
Milk?
Hey, what's your last one? Make it easy, eh? Food?
Something with kids, I think. School. Yeah, I'm kind of right. Kids are in school.
Kura.
School.
Kura is school.
School.
What does Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori mean for you?
It's a chance to, other people who don't usually speak the language to actually get out and learn it.
Spreading the word of Te Reo Māori and keeping it alive.
Do you think that more te reo should be included in Aotearoa?
Oh, absolutely. It's everywhere and it's a really nice language to learn and it's beautiful for our country.
Within reason, yeah. Everyone has a heritage. Everyone should value that heritage and everyone should respect that heritage. I have no problems with it at all.